Hello everyone. So I'm back with my another book review, which is an organic chemistry book, Fundamentals of Organic Chemistry, written by S. Chand. So this is basically for class 11, class 12, for NEET, for JEE, for all the competitive exam plus board exam plus school exams. So I think this book is suitable for every thing, and also for making your base strong related to organic chemistry. So this is a context, and here is the introduction part, right? So you can see, it is explained very briefly, and plus it will just make your base strong related to organic chemistry. Okay. And then I think there is, you can see how nicely it is explained, aldehyde, all the functional group is there, and then it is just shown how to write. I think if you just have this book, you don't need to you don't need to seek any help for teacher or any video, because this book contains everything related to it, like how is given that how you have to apply a primary amine, that secondary amine, having one hydrogen, having two hydrogen. So I think if you have this book, you just don't need any help for teacher or any watch any video for understanding, right? And then after explaining everything, and then there is a exercise you have to do plus answers, right? And then comes nomenclature, very nicely given, well well explained. And you can see how nicely it is explained. I think if you just go for this book, I think you just make your organic very nice. Objective questions, isomerism, so nicely given. So this was all about the book. Hydrocarbons there, petroleum, all the things related to chemistry is there in this book, right? So I think this was about organic chemistry. So I think if you just thinking to buy a book related to organic chemistry, because organic is a little bit not well. So I think if you just purchase this book, you don't need to seek a help for teacher or any video for improving your organic skills. It will. I think I can give you a guarantee that it will just help you so nicely that you can able to cope up with everything related to it. And if you guys are thinking to um, buy a book related to organic chemistry, you should go for it. I think it is all for class 11, class 12, NEET, G, for everything. It's just basically for making your base strong, right? So I think you should go for this book and purchase it. And if you guys wanted to purchase this book, so I have provided link in description box. You can just go for it, and then I'm going to give you the PDF of your chapters. And if you guys want more chapters, so let me know in comment section. And basically I'm providing PDFs just for letting you know the how the book is, and you should go for this book or not. So this was all about. So thank you for watching my video, and just wait for my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.